Students at the elementary school named after Dr. Bertha Pendleton gathered at an assembly this morning in her honor. The school was recently renamed to honor the first female and first African-American superintendent in San Diego's history. She was born in the 1940s. Pendleton overcame various obstacles in her life, such as segregation in the South, but she didn't let that hold her back. She came to San Diego in the 1950s as a teacher before then working her way up the ranks of the school district. A champion of education, she is credited with overseeing notable growth in schools all across the city.
The fact even that she was an African-American woman, she meant something to the women, she meant something to the men of color, she meant something to all people who wanted us to move forward as a nation. I mean, everything about her was just supporting diversity, equity, and belief in all citizens, all human beings.
Dr. Pendleton spent more than 40 years serving San Diego Unified School District. She passed away last month at the age of 92.